Hi, quick video showing you how to remove this message because the battery in your key fob is flat. So what you're going to do is first of all remove the key, emergency key, so you can press that button there, the key slides out, and that is in case you can't get in the car and you've got to use the passenger's door outside lock and you can unlock it with the key. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is remove this plastic housing. I'm trying to do it one-handed. There's a plastic housing. It's a CR2450 battery. All you have to do is just flip it out like so. So it's a 2450. Get your new battery. Make sure the positive is facing upwards. Slide the battery in. Press it down. Put the back cover on. Make sure that's all flush and clipped in. Then get your key. Slide the key back together, clips back in. Check it's working. There we go. Easy as that. Bye.